Welcome to 353 Autumn Ridge Drive. Nestled on approximately 175 acres in Pikeville, Kentucky, this beautiful property awaits. Designed by architect Bill Richardson, this custom Lindell cedar home brings the outdoors inside. Stone was sourced directly from the property, with wooden beams crafted from repurposed barnwood. Let's go inside. The great room greets you with a tall ceiling, abundant natural light, and a large stone fireplace. Adjacent lies the dining and kitchen area, with cabinets custom built to mimic the mountain terrain. Two spacious islands and contemporary Thermador appliances create an ideal space for hosting. Behind the kitchen, a sunlit office and a massive laundry mudroom serve as the home's central command. Down the first level rests the first of 4 guest rooms, complete with its own entryway bathroom. At the hall's end, the master suite offers a cozy retreat with exterior access, a wood ceiling, and this absolutely beautiful master bath bathed in natural light. With ample space for him and her and exquisite wood throughout, this is a true haven. Now, let's visit the lower level. An airy second guest room greets you, with a full bath across the hall. Down the hall, a wraparound counter introduces a second fully functional kitchen. Adjacent is the cozy sunlit family room, filled with light and a massive fireplace of on-site stone and repurposed barnwood. Behind the fireplace lie the 3rd and 4th guest rooms, connected by a shared Jack and Jill bathroom. Let's explore outside. The main level master screened deck connects seamlessly to the larger kitchen deck, overlooking the pond. Below, the concrete pool deck offers space to swim, sunbathe, or dine al fresco in the evenings. This home also includes 2 geothermal HVAC units, a gas well, and this serene pond. This gorgeous waterfall hardscape provides a tranquil retreat with flow you can control. The glistening 3/4 acre pond comes stocked with bluegill and largemouth bass. If you seek a one-of-a-kind retreat, 353 Autumn Ridge Drive is waiting for you.